Strong winds have battered Ireland overnight after the highest level weather warning, status red, was issued.
Some people are advised to remain indoors during the storm as gusts of more than 100 miles an hour recorded. That was off the coast near Kinsale. In the UK, a Met Office yellow weather warning for wind stretches from the north of Scotland down to the Cornish coast and remains in place until the early hours of tomorrow. Let's speak to our reporter, Rebecca Ricks, who, as we can see, is in a blustery Plymouth this morning. Rebecca, how is it for you?
It is certainly a little bit windy here in Plymouth. You can see the flags going for it behind me, but the blue skies are back. It rained heavily here overnight. But of course now the sun is out. The Met Office did report gusts of 50 miles an hour here overnight. We've seen a few incidents, mostly boats breaking free from their moorings and anchors in Cornwall. One boat in particular ended up crashed against the sea wall after the RNLI managed to rescue the sailor on board with just cuts and bruises. He got away with that quite lightly. There was also a tree that landed on a house in Gunners Lake. We're also aware of several people who entered the water last night. One swimmer got into difficulty in Ilfracombe, where the rescue helicopter went to help. They managed to self-rescue with just cuts and bruises. Across the coast in Torquay, the Coast Guard were called to a number of people in the water there. One of them was said to be drunk in quite dangerous conditions. Now, we are looking at yellow weather warnings for much of the country for today and tomorrow, but the RNLI are warning for Saturday as well down in the southwest. They're saying that people need to take real care when they're out and about at the beaches. There is, of course, that combination of strong winds with big spring tides that can make the conditions very dangerous, especially for the number of holidaymakers we're seeing in the southwest at the moment. So the message is to take care.